Just a few weeks ago, I shared with you Japanese Dandan Mian ramen recipe, which is Japanese take on Sichuan Dandan Mian. So many of you asked me, hey CiCi, so how do you make Sichuan Dandan Mian? So today, I'm gonna share with you a super delicious Sichuan Dandan Mian recipe. Let's get started. To prepare the preserved mustard greens in a wok over medium heat, heat up the avocado oil or cooking oil of your choice. Add the preserved mustard greens. In Chinese, we call it 碎米芽菜. It is sweet and salty. It is used in many Sichuan dishes and can be found in most Chinese supermarkets. Stir fry for about 2 minutes until aromatic. Remove and set aside. In the same wok over low heat, add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil and peanut. You can place them in the wok when the oil is still cool. By doing so, they will cook evenly and they won't burn easily. Stir fry until lightly brown for about 3 minutes. Place them on a cutting board and chop them into small pieces. Set aside. In the same wok, over low heat, with the remaining oil, add the green Sichuan peppercorns and red Sichuan peppercorns. Cook until aromatic for about 1 minute. Remove the Sichuan peppercorns. With the remaining oil over high heat, add in the ground pork. Stir fry until completely cooked, about 2 minutes. And the garlic and ginger. And stir fry until aromatic, 1 minute. Add the Shaoxing wine, soy sauce, and dark soy sauce. Stir fry for another minute. Set aside. To make the sauce, add the preserved mustard greens and the garlic, soy sauce, sesame paste. I made this chili oil myself and you can click on the link in the description box for the most delicious homemade chili oil recipe. Chinkiang vinegar, sugar, Sichuan peppercorns powder. Give it a good mix. In a large pot of water over high heat, bring it to a boil. Blanch the Shanghai bok choy for 30 seconds. Remove and set aside. In the same pot of boiling water, place in the noodles. These are some fresh noodles that I'm using today, but you can use any noodles that you like. And you can click on the link in the description box for the most delicious homemade noodles recipe. And cook until al dente for about 3 minutes, or based on your package instructions. Rinse the noodles in running water to stop cooking. So in a bowl, we're gonna put the sauce on the bottom and followed by the noodles, pork, peanut, Shanghai bok choy, and some scallions. Enjoy! I absolutely love it. It's just so delicious. The noodles are cooked until al dente and the whole dish is savory, it is spicy, dumpling, garlicky, it is all there. So good. You gotta give it a try and you'll know what I'm talking about. So I wanna ask you a question. Between Japanese Dandan Mian ramen and Sichuan Dandan Mian, which one do you like it better? Comment below and let me know your opinion and I will see you next week. Bye!